Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the voice speed in Deepl. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open your profile settings. This icon serves as your gateway to all personalization options within Deepl, allowing you to customize various aspects of the app according to your preferences. Once you tap on your profile icon, a menu will appear with different settings options. Look for the option labeled Voice Speed and tap on it. This feature is particularly useful if you find the default narration pace either too fast to follow or too slow for your comprehension level. Adjusting the voice speed allows you to tailor the listening experience to match your preferred learning pace and comfort level. Now you'll be presented with several voice speed options to choose from. You'll see options like 0.5, 0.75, standard, and 1.25. Each of these represents a different playback speed, with 0.5 being half the normal speed, making it significantly slower and easier to catch every word. 0.75 offers a slightly reduced pace, while standard maintains the default speed. 1.25 increases the speed by 25%, which is perfect if you want to consume content more quickly without losing clarity. Take a moment to consider which speed works best for you. If you're learning a new language or need to focus on pronunciation, slower speeds might be ideal. For experienced users who want to move through translations faster, the higher speed option could be more suitable. Once you've decided, simply tap the radio button next to your preferred voice speed. The radio button will become selected, indicating that your choice has been registered, and that's it. You've successfully adjusted the voice speed in Deepl to match your personal preferences, making your translation and language learning experience much more comfortable and effective. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.